every troll is free to be happy and live in perfect harmony.
Harmony. And that's why we hug every hour.
Nope.
I wish it was every half hour.
Nobody cares! Nobody cares!
Princess Poppy, do the Bergens still want to eat us?
You bet.
Just kidding.
Oh no, I do taste delicious.
What the fuck?
Isn't there anything else to make them happy? Oh, what about having birthday parties? Or slumber parties? Or staring at your parents?
At 3 in the morning.
But I don't want to be food.
Don't worry. No troll ever will be.
Really?
No.
And that's why we're celebrating with the biggest party ever. Everybody's gonna be there.
Everybody?
No!
Big, big chungus, big chungus, big chungus. Big, big chungus, big chungus, big chungus. Big, big chungus, big chungus, big chungus. Big, big chungus, big.
Everybody's coming to the invitation. I'ma hook you up with the celebration and let your hair swing and party with me. No bad vibes, just love. You'll see.
This is fine.
The D-A-N-C-E, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Stick to the B-E-A-T, get ready to ignite.
What the fuck? Hard out here when you're doing it right. Put a smile on blast, that's the whole life.
And I'm here.
What?
Come on, Stitch. I know you can do it.
Okay, Mr. Dinkles. Say leaves.
Shut up! Oh, don't do it! Don't do it! Yo!
Won't stop the beat.
Good. Whoa! Yankee with no brim!
I could hear you from a mile away.
Good.
Boy, if you don't get...
If I can hear you, so can the Bergens.
Oh shit. Here we go again.
Oh, Branch.
You always ruin everything, warning us about the Bergens.
No, I don't.
Dumbass!
Bergens are coming!
Come on. We haven't seen a Bergen in 20 years. They're not gonna find us.
The Bergens are coming!
You mean you're not coming to the party tonight?
But it's gonna be the biggest.
The craziest party ever! Are you sure you want to invite this party pooper to poop on your party?
Yes. I think everyone deserves to be happy.
I don't do happy.
Branch.
You're gonna like it! Don't fucking run away from me!
What do you say, Branch?
Oh my god.
You will be caught and dead.
Whoa, whoa, easy, Branch, easy.
I hate you!
Okay, first of all, mate, thanks for sharing your unique perspective on things. Again. Why don't you try some positivity, eh? A little positivity might go with that vest.
Okay, fine. I'm positive.
Y'all are stupid!
Corona time. It is Corona time.
I'm surrounded by idiots!
Our hearts are synchronizing. I can please you forever.
Gay!
I sure hope the answer is singing, dancing, and hugging, because that's all you know how to do.
That is not true.
You're lying! Tune out his negative vibrations, Poppy. They're some folks just don't want to be happy.
I guess.
You guessed right.
What?
Well, that was idiotic.
fuck this shit, I'm out.
Who 20 years ago this night saved all of us from those dreaded
Bergens.
Gotcha, bitch.
cupcake?
Oh, that's nasty.
Mr. Dinkles! Has anybody seen Mr. Dinkles?
Run, Forrest, run!
Pussy! Pussy! Pussy!
Scootaloo, I just had a terrible daydream. Oh, Pinky, I'm sorry. What about?
MF Doom.
What about?
MF Doom. MF Doom.
Everything went absolutely, definitely, positively wrong. Don't worry, Pinky. It was just a daydream. What could possibly go wrong? What could possibly go wrong? It was just a daydream. What could possibly go wrong? Cookies, punch, decorations.
Cleaning.
What's up, fucker? My cookies? Is something burning? That was so nice, sweetie pal. Thanks.
Shut your bitch ass. Someone come in there and shoot your
Pinky, you are always so ready to help all of us. It's about time we helped you. Okay, let's dig in. It'll be simply dashing. A little getting ready for the party music.
Cause it's my movie, my superhero movie. It's all about me, yeah, it's all about me. It's my movie, my superhero movie. They'll be lining up to see a movie all about me. No longer a sidekick, no, that's not me. Picture my booty up in 3D. I'll shake my booty in my own movie. It's my movie, my superhero movie. They'll be lining up to see a movie all about me. I have the most impressive, cool and scary, big, mean, hairy adversary. But not to worry, I'm the man in charge. Yeah, I'd have an alter ego. I'd be a billionaire, standing tall with adult-sized hands and gorgeous hair. Cause it's my movie, my superhero movie. It's all about me, yeah, it's all about me. It's my movie, my superhero movie. They'll be
Thanks to all of you. Sweetie Belle, the cookies are
shit.
The fuck you say to me, you little shit?
Tula-rula, the decorations are so
shit!
Scootaloo, thanks for bringing over your fucking games. Shirley, your stories are always so
Boring!
Why are you so mean to me?
Star Song, the music and dance
Suck.
and Rainbow Dash. You still suck. Guess what, everybody? What?
You're all a bunch of dorks!
I'm confused. So since it's almost time for the party, but we just had a party, what do we do now?
Nothing.
The end.
What are you doing under all these clothes?
Shut the hell up, bitch.
Oh that hat. It's amazing. Are you sure?
No.
May I put it on?
Hell no.
And the party will end with a grand hat fashion show, with the winner getting a...
Piss.
I can't wait to see what they all come up with. I want to thank everyone for
Nothing.
You're welcome.
And now, the moment we've all been waiting for, the Grand Hat Fashion Show! Hit it, Pinky! How can we possibly pick a winner? We? This is your party. But you said you'd help decide. Uh-huh.
What the fuck?
Sweetie Belle, Star Song, Cheerilee, Tula-Rula, and Scootaloo, I'm pleased to announce you are...
Disgusting.
The end.
Hey, Pinky. Yeah, Scootaloo? I've had it! I fucking had it! I think I want to throw a party, too. Will you help me?
Nope.
All around me are familiar faces.
But you're the absolutely positively partyingest pony in all of Ponyville? I was gonna say my friend, but yeah, that too.
Worn out places.
I'm pretty sure I want to have a party. What do you think? Scootaloo. Huh? What?
You two poop.
Oh, I get it. I'll have a
Ouija. Spaghetti.
Bagel.
Toast.
For dinner.
party. Thanks, Pinky. You're welcome.
What is that?
Ooh, how fun! It's a
Ouija. Spaghetti.
Bagel.
Toast.
For dinner.
party. Thanks for helping me judge the events, Pinky. You're welcome. Let's scoot.
Piece of garbage.
Oh, fuck! What are we gonna do? I kinda I sorta only have one prize for 5 winners.
Say what?
We talked it over and decided the winner is Scootaloo! Huh? What? Me? But I didn't do anything!
Yep.
The end.